I tried it and it came up, but it's now saying to me in a blue square, Windows protected your PC.
Right. Okay. So what you need to do now is there's a button called More Info.
Yeah, I can see that.
Click on More Info.
Okay.
And then there's a button called Run Anyway.
Yeah. Okay. I got that.
So that is how you get past that bit.
Run anyway. Press run anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Preparing to install. Okay. Welcome to Ding Unity versions 64-bit.
Okay. So that's the difficult bit passed.
Okay. It wants me to press next. Is that right?
So yep. Just click next.
Next. Okay. Oh,
and
gosh.
Then there's a picture next to install. Yep.
Press on the picture. Click on the picture.
Press on the picture. Yep.
Okay.
And then on the next screen, there's a button called install. That's got
click on that.
Yep.
A little shield or something, whatever it is.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Oh.
And then in a little while, you get the yellow message.
And yellow and blue, yeah.
Yeah. So you just say, yes, you do want to do that.
It's just telling me to say no, but I'll still press yes, okay?
Yeah, you say yes. All right.
Okay.
So all of these things are, they're sort of set out to try and ensure that you don't accidentally click yes when somebody was
completing the Ding Unity version. Setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard.
Okay, click finish. All right, and that's one more person done then. So you should find that it is on your desktop somewhere. And I've got mine here. It's called Ding Unity 64-bit.
So do you want me to get? I don't want to go out of this and lose it. So
yeah, if you all right. So I'll stop sharing, and then that gets you your own desktop back again. So now you should be able to see somewhere on your desktop there, in amongst all your icons that you've got there.
I'm not my desktop. I'm not. I've still got all those squares up there.
Okay, so you can close that because you finished with that.
Right, close. It's got Ding Google Drive with an X by it, and then it's got the other end, just the X at the other side. Or I'm afraid to close it in case I lose it. So
right, so yeah, you can. Well, you can. All right, so let's go back to
share it and have a look.
Screen share and show you then. All right, so yeah, you've got the Ding the Google Drive screen there. You can close that because you don't need it anymore. So you can click on that X there.
But you can. I can't see. Which X you're talking about?
Well, I was talking about there's one against
on the right-hand
Google Drive, but if you finish with your browser altogether, you might as well close the browser. So click on the X to close the browser.
On the right-hand side.
Yeah, on the far right-hand side.
Okay, right, okay, and then click again to go out of it all because it's now come like Google Chrome. So out of it again.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Right.
At the bottom, it's got a bell. Is that right?
That's the one. All right.
Okay. Do you want me to click on it?
Yeah.
Click on it.
Yeah. So I will.
And will it be there forever? No. When I close my computer,
that's it. Right. Yes, that'll stay there.
Oh.
All right.
Hold on, it says this app can't run on your PC. To find a version of your PC, check with the
just to be difficult, we had to get that. Okay, you had to be the first person to get that situation. You have got a computer that needs to run the 32-bit version of Ding instead of the 64-bit. So. I'm afraid the upshot of that is that you've got to go right back to the to that installation, but
You're
it'll be some good practice
joking.
for you, and you've got to start it with Ding Unity or Ding Ding Windows 32.
Oh,
Because your
right.
computer is probably quite an old one. Okay.
Giles, can I ask you a question? Because
Yep.
looks like I've downloaded it, but I don't know how to get to it now because I've done it. It said download. I've done that, and at the bottom left-hand side of my screen, it's got Ding-Windows 32.msi with an arrow pointing up at the side. Do I click on that? I can't remember what you told me to do before.
Okay, you're using Chrome, aren't you?
I have
so
Google Chrome.
yeah, so you can just double click on there. You don't really need to use the arrow on the side, but just double click on it.
Opening Ding, it says Windows protected your PC. So what do I do? Windows protected PC.
More info. That's the one.
Application unknown publisher. Run anyway, yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt everybody. Preparing to install. Welcome to Ding. Right, and do I say next?
Yep, yeah. You remember the drill.
Install. Press install.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click install to begin installation if you want to review. Install. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So I just wait for that, and I say yes rather than no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So while that's coming through, and you're nearly there now, let's give those. Have you got to now then, Doreen?
Right. So I've double clicked on the icon now at the side of my computer. It just says Ding in Unity, and then the blue and white screen. It asks for name and join a tower.
Right.
Or create a tower.
So at the top you enter your name.
Sorry, I
top you enter your name.
Okay. Full name?
Just Doreen will do. So
okay.
Whatever you. All right.
Which one
and then so SDG seminar, and if you click to the on that line, it will mark it with a tick.
I've got two there. I've got SEMIAR or SEMINAR. So I guess it's the second one.
Somebody else created one, perhaps.
No, I don't know.
So
it's seminar.
Okay, well it is the one that says seminar.
Okay.
So if you select that,
just click once.
Oh yes, so they have, yes. So yeah, if you click once on that line, you will see a tick.
Yeah, done it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Tower name.
And then don't need to do those because that's only when you're creating a tower from scratch. And
okay.
All right. So you can just click OK.
Okay. Right. All right. Wow, that's nice and colourful, isn't it?
You have arrived.
So you've arrived. So right. So